If someone tells you that you can use just one megacity to answer every single question in your GCSE, they are setting you up to fail. Let's be brutally honest. AQA will severely cap your grade if you try to use a city to answer a country-level question. You cannot hack the entire syllabus with one location. But you can build a highly strategic shortcut. Instead of learning a dozen completely disconnected places around the globe, we use the nested case study trick. We pair a country with its major city. Let's use Brazil and Rio de Janeiro. Brazil is your mega country for Section B. You use it to discuss international trade and rapid industrial growth. Then you zoom in. Rio de Janeiro is your city for Section A. You use it to cover extreme urban inequality and rural to urban migration. Why does this save you hours of frustration? Because you recycle the exact same cultural context, the same climate data, and the same general statistics across your entire human geography paper. You build an absolute fortress of knowledge around one core developing region, rather than trying to memorize the geography of 4 completely different continents just to get through paper 2. You do the exact same thing for your UK paper. Nest London inside the UK. If this trick is already saving your summer, drop a like on the video and join the Grade 9 gang so you don't miss the rest of this survival guide. So Rio, Brazil, London and the UK cover almost all of your human geography paper. What about the rest? To be completely bulletproof, here is the definitive, absolute minimum list of everything else you actually need to learn. For paper 1, you need 2 contrasting earthquakes, like Nepal and Chile, 1 tropical storm, like Typhoon Haiyan, and 1 UK extreme weather event. For ecosystems, you need a small-scale UK ecosystem, like a local woodland, the tropical rainforest, and 1 extreme environment, either a hot desert or a cold environment. Then you need a UK coastline and a UK river. Finally, do not forget Paper 2, Section C, Resource Management. You only need to learn your chosen resource, food, water, or energy, and you must have a specific example of a local sustainable scheme in an LIC or NEE. That is it. That is the entire GCSE. I have put this definitive checklist into a free downloadable PDF in the description, so you can track your progress. You have your list, but how do you actually memorize it without burning out? In the next video, I am showing you the only flashcard system you need for Year 11. Subscribe so you do not miss it.